welcome back to another video. Tonight we're going to do an unboxing video. This is the Tovala, T-O-V-A-L-A, and I probably will mispronounce it. I have no idea how the company thinks that it should be pronounced. But we're going to make dinner. The stove is in here, and then I also got a box, put a picture right here, of 4 meals. We're going to prepare 2 of those meals tonight in the brand new stove. So this is the Tovala steaming oven, whatever. It scans a barcode and it programs it. At least that's as far as I know about it. So I'm also going to put a picture right here of the of how much I spent for the stove. So let's go ahead and get started. You ready?
Yes.
All right. So guys, welcome back. Hope and once more. She was on the strawberry video and another one too.
Air conditioner.
Oh yeah, the air conditioner video. Yeah, so that took forever. If you guys go check out other videos, subscribe if you like. Click that bell notification so you can see more videos when we bring those out. Video that we're referring to was the air conditioner made by Medea. I think it was my most viewed video so far. It was an unboxing video as well. So welcome back home. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get this thing open. The all-powerful key. We use a double wall box, which is awesome. So they were definitely serious about making sure it arrived in good condition, unlike the first version of Medea. Well, you know, I don't see any instructions. I guess there's no assembly required.
A few moments later.
Again, so here's the instructions, the quick start guide. And you want to go ahead and open those?
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and continue unboxing.
Yeah, oven mitt.
Oh, you don't know anything?
Yeah.
How about that?
Hey, something you care.
Yeah, they care about your safety. And then we're going to show, I know we're showing the back side of the oven right now, but it is pretty impressive. So far, so good. Yeah, it's a place to put water. I guess it does for the steaming.
Inserted when using your oven.
And another free gift. It's a little measuring cup. Says Tovala on the side. It is a 8-ounce, 1 cup measuring. I'll take the plastic out.
Yes.
Alright, so we'll take the plastic out here. So I believe this is the crumb tray. Huh?
Yes.
Alright. Definitely looks fairly sturdy for a crumb tray. So we're going to slide that back into the oven. We'll show you the inside of the oven in just a moment.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so the next step, and that's step 3, is we need this. This is the steamer cover. I think right now is probably the time to turn the oven around. Let us see the front.
Yep. There was your crumb tray.
The what?
The crumb tray.
Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, and so we're going to open the oven for you. Pretty standard. Fans on the outside edges, trays, place for trays, all those different things. Alright, so yeah, here it is. It'll go on the very bottom. The crumb tray. And then the next thing we'll need to do is install the steam cover. Oh, okay. Alright. It just snaps into place. I'm not sure if you can see that very well back here, but if I had extra light, I'll probably be able to show you, but that's okay. Alright, so, and it says to turn them down. Alright, and the lowest position. So I must assume this is actually the first plastic part that I've run across so far. This rubber or plastic. And you said it slides in the front?
Use, please take necessary precautions with children and pets. Fill the measuring cup with 8 ounces of tap water. Open the lid on the water reservoir and pour directly into it. Fill in the water reservoir until fill the water reservoir.
We're going to have to go back and actually plug the oven in, so we haven't done that yet. Be right back.
Eventually.
Alright, after safely plugging in the oven, we are ready to go to whatever next step we need to do.
Oh.
So it looks like the oven is booting up, making some noise, and it does say add water. How much water do we need?
8 ounces.
8 ounces of water. Alright, so Tovala says 8 ounces of water. And we'll pour that in there. Alright, so it does look like that worked. It beeped at us once it had enough, and I have just a little bit left in the cup.
To connect your oven to Wi-Fi, download the app.
All right, so I'm actually using my phone to record this video. So we're actually going to take you offline for just a moment. We'll come back once we have that app installed.
2 hours later.
All right, welcome back. We are going to unbox the first box of Tovala prepared food. I really don't know a whole lot what to expect other than they say they're chef prepared and they can be cooked in 30 minutes or less. Let's start the timer. Please recycle our packaging. You can cook multiple of the same meal together. Very good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take it out. So here we go. So we've got installation here, and there's something in that line. That's who knows what we're going to cook tonight? Do you know what we're going to have?
What am I going to have?
So the choices are honey mustard salmon with creamy orzo pasta salad. 13 minutes and 15 seconds. There's creamy truffle and sweet pea gnocchi with lemon parmesan green beans. Yeah, you can have that one. I don't like green beans, but I'll order it anyway, right? Or any of these other ones. And then we have an 18-minute Greek-inspired chicken vegetable pita. And we have a lemon pesto chicken and chia wrap with pickled red onions and pumpkin seeds. 18 minutes on both of those, and 17 and 13 on the other ones. Two different ones. Which two do you want to try?
Well, I'll do the gnocchi.
Okay, so we'll do the gnocchi. There we go. Alright. Alright, and which other one do you want? Which other one do you want to try? Let's do the salmon.
That sounds good.
Alright, yeah.
Let's do that. They all sound good.
Yeah, they all do sound good. Alright, well this one kind of fell to the bottom. The salmon fell out. Down to the bottom. That's alright. And then there's some more ice packed in the bottom. Okay. Alright, very good. So here we go. We're going to cook these two. Right, let's do the salmon one first.
Okay.
Alright, so it comes with a barcode to scan. Tells us anything we need to do earlier. Alright, so what do we need to do? What does it tell us?
So on the back.
So I open the salmon. Open it up?
Yep.
Alright.
Flat side down. So open the oven. Where do we stand?
Press the scan, I think, yeah. Yeah, and then
it is scanned. It is set for 3:15, which is what it says here. Then press start.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna start.
Press the button. Alright, so here is the pasta salad of what is it? What's in here?
It's just called orzo pasta salad.
Orzo pasta salad. So I think we're gonna eat this cold, I believe.
Dried dill, which is amazing.
And so we just pour it all over the thing and then stir it up a little bit. Is that right?
Yep.
Well, you've heard it from the lady first.
Oh, I lost the pea. It's got dill in it. Dill's my favorite. Good.
Yeah. Pretty good.
I like dill.
Here?
No.
Yeah. Okay, that's something else. All right. So we'll be back in just a moment. Oh, did you want to say something, Sim?
I just think that would be really good with the honey mustard.
Yeah, the salmon and the honey mustard. Yeah, so we're actually going to save the rest for in a little bit. And 13 minutes, got 10 minutes left on the salmon cooking. So we'll be back. Tick tock, tick tock. All right, welcome back. We are now 13 something minutes later, and the food is ready. And it says ready or done on the thing down here. So I think we are ready to use our nifty brand new.
No, my hand fits in there.
Yeah, my hand does not. Oh well. Alright, so we'll open that up and we'll plate that on our plate according to this. Now, I don't know whether we will have a plate that looks quite this pretty, but who knows, maybe it'll look even prettier.
Nifty little container. So cute.
And they want you to recycle the containers. They're made out of aluminum, I'm sure, so they're recyclable. Alright, we'll go ahead and put a picture of this up close, up here or across the screen or something.
Okay.
And alright, so here goes the taste testing.
Oh,
How's the salmon?
perfect.
Yeah?
Perfect. Not
perfectly moist.
Done.
It's not too hot even. I mean, it's literally, I mean, it's a little hot. I have to be a little careful I don't burn myself on it, but it is the perfect temperature we need. It truly is. I think we left it sit maybe 2 minutes in the stove before we opened it up. So not long at all, really. Yeah, we'll go ahead and prepare another one. So we'll set this to the side a little bit. And we're gonna prepare one more meal tonight.
We gotta scan it, we gotta open.
Open and put both trays in there. Yep, so we'll go ahead and scan. And yeah, go ahead. All right, so 17 minutes, 45 seconds. And we'll go ahead and press start. All right, so we'll be back in a minute while we're enjoying the other plate of food. Alrighty guys, we are back again. We have now cooked our second meal. And this was the creamy truffle, sweet pea, gnocchi, lemon parmesan green beans. Alright, so let's see how they turn out. Snipping the parmesan. Alright. Still don't like green beans, but. And then pasta. Oh, that pasta looks so good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plate that up. We'll show some pictures on here, across here when we get that done. All right, so now we have plated. And we're going to show you a picture across the screen, but here you can see how it looks.
Steaming.
Hot and ready. Just like oh, they probably do sell those on their site to make it easy to. But I'm just showing them recycled lettuce. Oh, we forgot to put the parmesan
That's the most important part.
Parmesan. First reactions. Let's see how it is. What do you think?
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be amazing. Or maybe not quite as good as the salmon.
There's a lot of lemon in it.
There's a lot of lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a little much lemon, I think, for my taste. So all in all, I am pretty impressed with the cooker, especially the food. I give the food a pretty decent thumbs up. It's not as good as what I might cook if I'm cooking gourmet food or home cooked meals, but for the amount of time that we spent cooking it, I think it's worth it. There might be times when I don't like what's available, and I may skip a week as a result of it, just because I am a pretty picky eater. But overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. I'm happy with my purchase. I would recommend it to other people who live by themselves or with maybe one other person, so maybe a maximum of 2. Anything beyond that is probably more expensive than trying to cook a meal. And the amount of time that you save is probably negligible at that point. But if you're just living by yourself or, with maybe one person, I could see that this would. Y'all look, she's eating all the food. Yeah, that's okay. But I think overall, would you say like if you're, one person, maybe 2 people?
Oh, that'd be great. Easy cleanup.
Easy, yeah, no, hardly any cleanup, right?
Just grab it out of your fridge.
Done all the prep work for you.
Yeah.
And the fact that we should definitely try one evening. Maybe find a baked potato recipe and see how it does. Because again, that's like super easy to fix.
Do a few things like our own salmon.
Yeah, that'd be great too. Yeah, buy some salmon.
Fix our own salmon with some salt, pepper, whatever we want on it.
There you go. Yeah, and fix a bigger portion. So you could literally like take your glass dish or something and fix. Yeah, so definitely because it has those options, you're not tied to just buying Tovala stuff, Tovala pre-prepared stuff. I think that's what makes the stove worth it for me. Thank you. And remember, like the video, share it with somebody, and most of all, if you can, make a comment below. Ask a question. I don't know all the answers, but certainly let's have a little conversation on the type of stoves that you use, or if you've bought a high-tech stove. I consider this definitely a very high-tech stove that connects to your phone. But let's have a conversation. Like, comment, subscribe. Out.